my calculations were wrong.
I'm innocent. So leave me alone, okay?
I'm so doing now. This peak.
Come on, come to the secret
Be
room.
quiet. Girl, this is how you dance. Guys, this is how you dance. Even your mom. No, it isn't. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, no. Mine is OG. I'm gonna roast the store for no reason. I'm gonna roast her for no reason. Oh my god, I almost got killed.
Cover me, okay? When I die, you'll get it, okay?
Big bad. Oh, there was an ad. My bad, guys. We're gonna listen to bro.
Oh, you die too.
Well, we're gonna go.
I'm not talking to you, okay? I'm just roasting a girl for no reason.
What?
Y'all need to kind of be quiet.
Oh, God is good.
I'm gonna only sing these parts because they're way more easier, bro. Who was coughing, gang? Bro, get yours quickly to get out of here.
나의 클레마티스 항상 곁에 있어줘
Because guys, they're teaming. This is literally what they sound like all the time. Oh my gosh, I didn't mean to kill you. I was literally trying to go around you. Oh no, I accidentally killed you. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, they're telling me to shut up. I'm so in trouble, guys. Get a load of this guy. And you're just teaming. Okay? I'm actually... Bro. Guys, get a load of this. This is so funny. Making me giggle, bro. This is so funny. Laughing in chat is so... Bro, you spelled there wrong. Get a load of this, bro. Guys, they spelled there wrong. I'm just gonna... Guys, screenshot, that's crazy. Take a picture. This is a moment in history. 2 is spelled with 1 O, not 2. Literally, that's what I'm saying. Guys, like, get a load of this. Girl, relax. Bro forgot the E in cringe.
Like your eyes.
Oh yeah,
Listen to this Korean. It's
bad.
You cared enough to answer, but like,
Recording is that still
yeah,
good?
that's so good, bro. Guys, my emo.
Now that's giving me the
Who
vibe.
uses that emote anymore? Bro's a Facebook mom. Girl, relax.
Bro, why am I always innocent?
Guys, listen to my Korean. It's so awesome. Well, it ain't me, but like, yeah, he's really mad. I clipped it. That's so funny, guys. This is so funny.
Damn.
What?
This isn't even me, it's a video.
Mine?
It's a video, guys.
What do you mean?
Guys, I'm listening to a video
What do you
and Rose said,
mean?
oh, you're so bad at singing.
What do you mean, Bella?
Gang.
What do you mean?
Get a load of this guy.
What do you mean, sister? What do you mean?
This is
What
so
do you
funny.
mean?
I'm actually so funny, guys.
Always. Bro, I'm gonna hide in here.
Why not? Very funny. Why not saying low? What's funny? Oh, we win. Bro, relax. Bro only did that to get me.
Guys, it's Till's song. We all. It's awesome.
Why did you not tell me your other stuff? Why did you not tell me?
Guys, listen to my music with me. It's so tough. I'm running.
Like, are we not friends anymore? Like, why
Like,
you?
no,
are
my
you
baby
not
boo, I
telling
shot
me?
him. No,
That
my baby boo,
you
bro.
were the shot.
I shot him.
I'm
Oh,
about to
no.
get your mind.
Or them, or her, or it.
Huh, finally.
Guys,
I'll chill out.
No.
Read my lowest
Just,
eye.
no. No.
Relax.
I could turn my music off. Guys, where are the teamers? Where are they? I bet they're smooching in a room. Let's go find them. Guys. Teamers, where are you? Teamers, where are you? Oh, hey there. Guys. Relax. Yeah, guys. Wait, let's just
Bro, why do I have
guys,
to go
we're not
back?
gonna shoot anybody. We're not gonna shoot anybody, okay?
Guys,
It's okay. It's okay, guys. That's the
the
wrong email. Guys, we're just gonna finish out this round. Sheriff, don't shoot me because I literally.
Wait, where's the arrow?
Huh?
Where is it sitting out?
Huh?
I'm sitting out.
Mhm. You see me and now you don't. Literally, emo time. That's so tough. We're just gonna finish out this round. Okay, guys. Yeah, very tough. And then they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, they're literally taunting us. This is so bad. Oh my gosh. This is literally what they're gonna be like. I hope they leave because they're literally not okay. Hey, my twin is here. Bro is no, he left. What the hell you on say, bro? Oh, who's that? This is so tough. Guys, relax. Yeah. You see me? And now you don't. Wait, I wanna see ya. Guys, she's green. Guys, If I take out my knife, who do you think it will kill first? I won't do that, guys.
Worked there for a while. Jim Fish worked there. Kim Vegas worked there for a while. Ryan Grunberg worked there for a while. We all kind of knew each other.
Bomb. Yeah, guys, we win. So. You killed us on purpose. No, guys, I'm gonna voice them. See, guys. You killed us first. This is not okay. Yeah, my avatar's so tough, guys, right?
But it wasn't like he was he didn't care.
What's wrong with it?
Best friend. There's teamers, guys. There's teamers. This is so tough. So cute teamers.
Oh, what did I join?
You're trying to be all slim. Put your arms.
Guys. Yeah. Guys, if it's one of the teamers, I'm literally gonna crash on them. They're gonna go for me first. Wait, I'm gonna voice them, guys. Oh my gosh, they killed us first. That's not fair. That's not fair. They killed us first. They're gonna kill me, guys. They're gonna kill me. Oh.
You need to hire.
Yup. What if we kill teamers and chill? Okay. Yes, the teamer's dead. Let's go.
Did your friends have to take breaks?
Then who's coming back?
They had to take breaks. Yeah, you need a bath. Maybe I'll be back.
The teamers died. Who said that, guys? Who said that? That one who? Because I was listening to Korean songs. Korean singers are actually like really good at their singing. Guys, I just got a compliment from the teamers. This is so awesome, guys. Let's clip this. Oh my gosh.
We're like absolutely gonna need it. We don't need it.
No, this one's.
Okay, I'm back.
All right, let's watch Tuba time.
Guys, I gotta go AFK, bro. Be right back. If the teamers kill me, clip it.
bro, it went into the aftermath.
Oh, okay.
Like, I've looked all over my room. It's actually gone.
Oh,
She said
that's
I don't
sad.
care. Over there. You see that? I'm gonna voice that. I don't care. Literally.
This talking.
Guys,
Well, oh. Innocent, and one was trying to chase
Привет.
me with
Аудио
murder
доступно
tonight.
бесплатно.
And I said,
This audio was made by Aisha Hilton.
yeah, murder.
oh my gosh, it's a steamer, guys.
On my
It's an infectious. It's an infectious
Mars.
disease.
My
Oh
fingers
no.
are slick. And this is first. And you
Hey guys,
murder.
I can take care of this.
Murder.
I can take care of this. I can take care of this. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back, steamer. Guys, watch
You're
out. I
gonna
don't want to kill
die.
you guys. I don't want to kill you guys. That's tough.
I know you're gonna die for sure. Because
Relax.
nervous.
Bro, I just
Oh,
won
that was
this.
amazing.
That was
I
great.
know you're gonna die for
Stop,
sure.
bro. I just stop, bro. That was great.
I know you're dying from sheriff, that girl.
Who laughs in chat?
Yeah, bro, my phone disappeared. I can
Oh.
bro.
LMAO, so funny she died. Not like you didn't know
Chat sometimes, bro. Oh, that's dog son. Oh, that's the pink guy.
Imagine being mad.
Bro just keeps typing in chat. What does Bio Frey mean? Oh, bro said Bio Frey. Bio Frey.
I'm not your bro. Guys.
Oh. Who doesn't call other people bro? Like, we don't know their gender.
Bro said stop
Bro,
touching
I
me.
say bro every sentence.
Bro said stop touching me. Girl, relax.
In LA, Sheriff is going to freaking die.
Guys. Ooh, that was so good. That was so good. I wish the murderer was a tamer so we could have found him. What? Yeah, what do you mean by touching? Wait, guys, hold on. Watch this. Guys, watch this.
Murder comes to me.
Oh no,
My game glitches out, and then it's like, okay, let's make me die.
Oh, that's sad. Oh, okay. Oh, I feel so bad. I touch. Shut up, my two.
Can you stop singing for once?
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Geez. Fine.
What happened, bro?
No, guys. The sheriff?
I hate you, bro. Wait, did bro die? Did bro die?
Exactly.
Because
Bro forgot the team
you
exactly.
killed me.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I forgot about that. I just had to rub it in your face.
Yeah. I'm actually kind of glad I did so that I didn't have to hear you.
What?
Bro, he's crashing out.
Yeah, like, get a load of this guy. I love this map, guys. The murderer's the teamer, guys.
Come here! Come here! And the fact that I'm not murderer is great.
Oh, did Rose shoot the wrong person?
Oh.
Rose shot the wrong person.
Yeah, the fact that I'm murderer is great. Come here. Come here. Oh, bro, I was floating. Did you see I was floating? Wait. Let me pull up my gun. Let me pull up my knife. Bro gave up. Come here. Wait. Gotcha. No, let me get sheriff real quick.
Oh, Rose gave up.
Bro's trying so hard. I'm coming for you.
That's disappointing. That's sad. Bro died. Go shut the fuck up. That's great. Bro is
I know,
That's
bro. I do
great.
that all the time. I just follow sheriff and say that I'm murderer, and then they shoot me, and then they believe so much that I'm murderer. Like,
Bro,
I just wait for them to pull out your
Sheriff
knife,
died
bro.
twice.
Oh,
Like,
here,
bro,
aesthetics.
bro.
Bro,
You only know how to say like,
nobody
bro.
cares what you're saying in chat.
What?
The only words he knows is like and bro.
Bro,
Wait,
can I
what?
block? Block, bro.
Information. Because he's
Okay, who's sheriff? I'm actually murderer this time. No, I am not, bro. Oh, yeah, bro, I guess I am lying. Bro's murderer. Get away from me, bro.
Oh, I'm so kidding.
Oh, bro somehow shot, bro. Bro is just so calm. Bro, again, nobody cares what you're saying in chat. Bro's saying haha.
Kill me. I'm the
Bro needs to
ultimate
see their own
alpha.
face
This
get
is
beat.
literally what
Shut up. Like, bro. Whoa,
like
bro,
bro, like bro.
I don't go haha in chat. Bro, yeah, I believe you, bro. Bro thinks he's tough, bro.
Why are you even using chat when you have voice chat?
Bro, you're using my face to get to defend you. Bro, just actually make up your own mind. Like, bro.
Bro can't even spell.
I'm coming for you all.
It's sad because bro can't even spell correctly.
Wait, where?
Bro,
Where
I
did
can't.
I get it? I didn't see
Are
it.
you talking about him? Every
Bro,
word for
Wait,
April
what role
says.
did I get?
Like, bro,
Oh.
great job, bro, because my name ain't April.
Bro put
Okay, I'm
chat.
actually murder, and I'm coming for you all.
And then bro
Bro,
actually
where's that
put in
stupid?
face.
Wait, shut up for a minute. Where's that stupid striped guy? I've got to talk to bro.
Bro,
Hey!
bro, that's all you know how to say.
Hey, is Mr. Stripe Rat guy?
Well, bro, my name ain't April, so can you shut up?
He only knows how to say bro.
No, don't talk to her like that. Now you're the one who needs to shut up.
Oh.
Oh, that was great.
Who's
Oh,
that?
it's unicorn. It's pink unicorn.
It's who? I'm gonna go out there, but then I don't, because I don't want to. Oh, hey guys.
Bro, we aren't teaming. We killed each other enough times to not be teaming.
Why someone like this?
Yeah.
That's the only thing he knows. Like and bro.
Bro, we aren't teaming.
What's up
Gamers
with the
are
laughing,
people.
bro?
You're
It's
acting
getting
like
annoying.
you're acting like it's
Like, it's getting really annoying.
like talk on voice for a friend.
So are you, bro. So are you. If you're 13, let's hear some VC. If you're 13, let's hear some VC. Watch him die. Ha, so funny. Nice job, bro. Don't kill me though. Friends, right? Oh, why? Oh, girl, relax. Girl. He said he's 13 to me, bro. Oh. Oh.
I went to go put the shower curtain up for you guys to have.
Bro, you're
Hand embarrassment.
There's no. Oh, I
bro,
just
you're
looked at
acting
chat.
like you're the best in the game.
There's no way he said he
Literally
got
are.
aura. Oh, there's no way bro said he got aura. Like bro. Oh my gosh, bro. This is so funny. Yeah, I know.
stop talking. Oh, yapping, yap. Oh, let's go, guys. That's so tough. Bro, kill them and then reset. That was so tough. That's so tough. Mm-mm-mm.
I was like, hey, no joke.
Wait, you're coming too. Wait, guys. This is big news. This is big news, guys. I don't even know these people. Remind me of some. Oh my gosh. For real. He said I apparently want him. Like, oh my gosh. Oh. It's actually 1-0. I didn't do that. This is so funny, guys. Okay, let's play the game. Girl, relax.
Always not gonna be. I'm like one. Arrow's hanging on. Barely.
Girl, come back. Ooh. Who's left?
Bro, that's not fair. Bro, the music is so loud. At least check out the teamers, guys. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. I got the teamers. You guys watch. He's gonna walk over here, and then he can be like, haha, you didn't win. Yeah? What's your question? What do you mean by that? Yeah. Average teamers. It's fine, guys. Ooh, I bet it's a teamer. Oh, wait. Girl. Where's that other one? Where's that other girl? Is she even still here? Did she leave?
Finally, bro. Huh?